This is Brian. This is our circuit.
So this is our final project, the reverb circuit.
Show that part.
It's got a bunch of different parts. This first breadboard over here is the input. It receives the input through this wire, and then it's a preamplifier, which the gain is controlled by this potentiometer and the bias is set here, and then there's a bipolar transistor that does the amplification, and then the output of that is fed to the speaker driver circuit. The input's here through the capacitor, and then it's just a standard speaker driver. The amplitude is also controlled by this potentiometer, and then the output of that, which is this yellow wire here at the base of the capacitors.
Fun part.
Is fed to the reverb box, which we
our
have a
reverb
very
box.
primitive.
Our spring is kind of short, so it doesn't really work that awesome, but you can hear it.
And so the output of that speaker driver drives one of the speakers, and then there's a spring between. It's hard to see.
Yeah, you can't see it.
There's a spring in here. Can you sort of see it?
No. Tilt it. No, yeah, there's a spring in there, believe us.
There's a spring, and then it's connected to the other speaker.
That was going to be such a long video. Okay.
The output of that goes back around to
our post-gain circuit.
which is here.
Right here. Yeah.
And then, so there's another amplifier circuit in here that gains it back up because
Just so that we can play it out of the speakers.
yeah, so that you can drive the real speakers. And then the output of that post-gain circuit fed to this guy goes around up to the speakers, and so.
And then we just have this little digital part that detects whether our input and output is clipping. So this detects if our input is clipping, this detects if our output is clipping. So now we're going to play some songs. Yeah. Hold on. Holding on. So we can up the volume on the breadboard.
There's a couple of voices.
So that controls the volume. And then
This guy does too. And obviously you can't really tell because the effect is pretty small because the spring is so small, and then through the crappy phone
the only way we can show you the clipping detector way is to kind of disconnect our speakers because the volume gets exceedingly loud.
Yeah,
if we try and do that. Disconnect the speaker just so we can up the volume and see if the just the output speaker. 1 second.
Oh, buy music.
Okay. So if we turn up the volume
Over here.
all the way.
Are you looking at the?
Yeah. Oh, my bad.
So you can sort of hear it over there.
Yeah, you can sort of.
Now it's clipping.
It's so loud that you can hear it coming from our just little reverb part. But yeah. Yay. Bye, Brian.